Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you can actually take the Cool Cats milk token and how to actually burn the token if you choose to do so. Now, if you've seen the other videos I posted here on my YouTube channel on how to create NFT projects and collections and making them mintable with the Cool Cats milk token, and now you're wondering, how do I actually burn the token that I earned? This is how you're going to have to do it. Now, it's actually pretty quick and simple, but you do have to interact with a smart contract. So if you haven't ever used anything like Polyscan or Etherscan or manually interacted with a smart contract, this may seem a little bit intimidating at first, but if you follow the instructions that I'm about to show you, you can go ahead and easily burn milk tokens that you've earned through mints, or maybe you just want to go ahead and burn some milk tokens that you have. Now, there actually are some requirements that you need to fill before interacting with this smart contract. So the big and most important one is the wallet that you're going to be burning the milk from has to have interacted with Cooltopia, meaning you have to have had a cool pet or a cool cat in the wallet and signed into the Cooltopia game. And what that essentially does is registers your wallet address with this smart contract, allowing you to go ahead and burn milk. If you want to use a burner wallet or a different wallet, you'll have to go ahead, transfer your cool cat or cool pet to that wallet, go ahead, log into the game, register that wallet address so that you can go ahead and burn milk from that wallet. And that's really the biggest requirement. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is jump onto the smart contract on Polyscan. I'll drop a link to that contract down in the description below. And this is the contract that you're going to have to interact with in order to burn the milk token. So as you can see here, we are on the smart contract. If we look here, there's only been a few transactions. If we look at, I believe this one right here, they burned 10 million milk. This was actually from the J Pigs project. They went ahead and launched a profile collection that you could go ahead and mint. They burned the 10 million milk that they got from it. So what you're gonna have to do is go to the contract section here, and you're gonna go to the write contract. Now you're gonna see a few function calls here on the smart contract. The one that we're gonna be using is the burn milk. Before we do that, you can take a look here at the wallet that I have connected. I have about 31,000 milk, 31,463 milk to be exact. We're gonna go ahead and burn 10 milk. So what we should see is 31,453. First thing we're gonna do is right here where it says connect to Web3, we're gonna connect our wallet. Once we're connected, we should see our wallet address right over here. Now, when you go to the burn milk section, it's gonna ask the amount that you want to burn. Now, this amount is in whey. You're gonna have to convert the amount of milk that you want and put in the whey amount of milk in here. You can head on over to eth-converter.com. I'll drop the link of this website down below as well. But in the ether section, we're gonna go ahead, delete this. We're gonna put 10 because that's how much milk we want to burn, but we have to put in the whey amount over here. So we're gonna copy this number right here. We are going to bring that number into the burn amount, and we'll go ahead and write. Now we're gonna have to go ahead and pay some gas in order to do that. So we'll go ahead and confirm, and we'll wait for our transaction to go through. All right, and once it goes through, we should see it on the transaction screen here. It does take a little bit just on Polygon, but if we come up to our wallet here, you can now see that I have 31,453 milk because we went ahead and burned 10 of our milk. So you can see here, I just refreshed the page. Our transaction is right over here. So if we look at our transaction here, we actually went ahead and burned 10 milk, and it got sent to the null address here, which is all zeros, which is basically the burn address. And there we have it. So there you go. That's how you can really simply, easily burn milk. You just have to be a little bit familiar on how to interact with smart contracts. This one doesn't require too much. It just requires you to connect your wallet and put in the correct amount of milk that you want to burn. You just have to convert that into whey. So I hope this was really easy to follow. And if you are creating a project that is utilizing the milk token and you are looking to burn it, go ahead, share your ideas down in the comments below, because I would love to hear and see what ideas you are working on for different milk sinks. But I hope you folks enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. I'm posting a bunch of Web3 and NFT videos, and I love sharing my knowledge around this space. So I hope you folks had fun burning some milk, and until next time, see ya.